Paano kung ganyan nakahirap yung ano, yung i-inverse mo? Diba? May hirap siya. So we now have, so since integral nyo, nag-aral tayo ng method of partial fraction, yun din yung gawin natin dito. Okay? So we have the method of partial fractions. Applicable naman siya dito. Since integral operator naman si Laplace transform. Okay? So a rational function in the form P of S over Q of S, where your P of S and Q of S are polynomials with a degree P, okay? Your degree P is less than the degree of Q, okay? And then it has a partial fraction expansion whose form is based on the linear and quadratic factors of Q of S, okay? So take note that the inverse Laplace transform of a fraction is often best found by expressing it as a partial fraction and then finding the inverse Laplace of this. So para magamit natin yung table. So the process of this one, okay, we have a given f of s, okay. We have a given f of s, okay, and then we apply the method of partial fractions. So to make your f of s simpler, so we have now simpler f of s. Okay, so we can now evaluate this using your table. Okay, we can evaluate the inverse of that using our table. Okay, so we can now obtain f of t. Okay, so let's have some example. Before that, cases muna. Case 1, we have the non-repeated linear factors. So we have the given P of S over Q of S. So we now have P of S over S minus R1 times S minus R2 up to S minus R sub n. Okay. So the partial fraction of that one is A1 over S minus R1 plus A2 over S minus R2 up to A sub n over S minus Rn. Okay. So yan lang siya. And then for case 2, repeated linear factor, we have this given. So repeated siya up to n. Okay? Your S minus R times S minus R squared up to S minus R raised to n. So we're going to partial fraction. So we now have A over S minus R plus A2 over S minus R squared up to your A sub n over S minus R raised to n. So that is our case 2. And then for the case 3, we have quadratic factors. So quadratic factors. So we have your quadratic factor. This one. Quadratic factor. And then repeated m time. M repeated by m times. Okay? So therefore for that one, okay, your partial fraction expansion is now A sub 1 S minus alpha plus beta B1 over S minus alpha squared plus beta squared. So, and then if it is repeated up to m times, so we have now A sub 2 S minus alpha plus beta B2 over S minus alpha squared plus beta squared, so square, and then up to m. Okay? Para lang siyang repeated factor. Okay? So, solve tayo ng sample. Okay? So first is a repeated, non-repeated tayo sa una. Okay? So for the first one, it's ito natin. So case number 1 tayo, we apply non-repeated linear factors. So we need to determine the inverse Laplace of 7s minus 1 over s plus 1 times s plus 2. Naka-factor na siya. Okay? Naka-factor na kaagad. Pero kung di pa naka-factor yan, you need to factor those. Naka-factor na kaagad dito. So for the case number 1, we can see that we have non-repeated factors. Okay? So we have s plus 1, we have s plus 2, and s minus 3. So we need to apply the partial fraction expansion. So So 7s minus 1 over s plus 1, s plus 2, s minus 3. Okay. So the partial fraction expansion of that one is we have a, okay, over s plus 1, yan siya. And then plus b over s plus 2, plus c over s minus 3. We need to determine values of a, b, c numerically later. Ngayon na. Sige. And then, to obtain those values, okay, we multiply this whole equation by the q of s, or your denominator. We have s plus 1, s plus 2, and then s minus 3. Okay, so this will now become 7s minus 1 that's equal to a, cancel yung s plus 1. So we now have s plus 2 times s minus 3 plus b, cancel yung s plus 2. So we now have s plus 1, s minus 3. Okay, and then plus c, s plus 1, and then s plus 2. Okay. Multiply. Algebraic tayo, algebra. So we now have 7s minus 1. So we now have a, s squared minus s minus 6. Okay? Diretso na tayo ha. Plus b, s squared. Ganito lang yun ha. S squared, 2 minus 3, negative. Okay? Negative 1. Tapos, 2 times negative 3. That is negative 6. Okay? And then dito, yun din, s squared. Tapos, add mo to. So, 1 minus 3. That is negative 2s minus 3. Okay? And then plus c, s squared plus 3s plus 2. Okay? And then we distribute. Okay? So we now have 7s minus 1. We distribute your a, b, c sa loob ng mga respective terms na yan. So we now have a, s squared minus as minus 6a. Okay? Plus b, s squared minus 2bs minus 3b. Nako, mababa. Plus cs squared plus 3cs plus 2c. Okay? Mababa siya. And then, ang i-combine natin ngayon yung mga same yung coefficients. Okay? We have in here s squared, s squared, s squared. Okay? And then we have your s. Ito yung mga s mo. Ayan yung mga s. Tsaka to. And then the remaining are the constants. Okay? So we group them. Okay? So we now have 7s minus 1. Combine all s squared. So we now have a plus b plus c. S squared. Okay? And then next, we now have the next one. CK plus, we have negative a minus 2b plus 3c times s. And then plus your constants, we have negative 6a, negative 3b, and plus 2c. Okay? So, we equate ito sa kabila. Okay? First, sa s squared. May s squared ba rito? Wala. So, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 0. And then the next, this is equation number 1. Okay? The next, sa s, we have negative a minus 2b plus 3c. Okay, that is 7. equation number 2. Then, dun sa constants, we now have negative 6a minus 3b plus 2c is equal to negative 1. Equation number 3. So, how do we solve this? Anyone? Paano po siya solve? 3 equations, 3 unknowns. Algebra naman. Paano siya solve yan? Hello? Sino may idea? Algebra. Paano siya solve?
Elimination, sir.
Sige, pwede rin. Elimination. Ano pa pwede? Review tayo ng algebra.
Ano, sir? Cycle, sir. Simulation equation.
Sige na nga, gamitin natin yan. Pa-input nga sa calculator. Wala ko ba ng calculator eh. Meron kang calculator dyan?
Meron, sir.
Sige, paki-input yan. Anong sagot? Sige na, mag-calculator na kayo.
Wait lang, sir.
Medyo matrabaho kasi yan. Tiyatin kung ano yan. Tama. Pero yung iba dyan, try nyo rin yan, i-input sa calculator. Wala lang akong simulator ng calculator sa laptop eh. Ano sa napakita rin. Kung paano siya ginagawa. Try. Sige. Try nyo. Baka may nag-input na dyan na iba.
Ano, sir?
Ano lumabas?
2, negative 3, 1, sir.
2, negative 3, tsaka
1.
1. Ayan siya. So, algebra ha. Mababa ito. So, pag dito na, pag 3 questions na na, pwede na kayong mag-directa sa calcu. Kasi mababa na yung process natin. Makabuti kayo siyam-siyam. Basta kailangan kung ganito yung solving nyo, kung ganito yung method of solving ninyo, pakita nyo yung katong equations bago kayo mag-solve ng ABC. Kasi mamaya, dito pa lang kayo, mamaya, dito pa lang kayo sa part na to, bigla may ABC ka na sagot. Pakita nyo rin yung solution. Okay? So we have obtained 2, negative 3, and 1 for A, B, C respectively. Okay? And then, may isa pa ako method dito. So, mula dito, isa pa akong method eh. Mula dito sa 7s minus 1, isa pa akong method. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo yung isang method. So, same lang yung isagot natin doon. Isa pa akong method dito. Yan. Isa pa akong method. Method natin, okay. Isa pang method natin na pwede is pwede tayo mag-let. Kung alam niyo yun, pwede tayo mag-let. So, let tayo ng number such that pagka nag-let tayo, may maka-cancel na mga na hanapin natin sa ABC. May maka-cancel dapat. So, mag-let tayo kung saan makakabuha tayo ng value. Okay? So, paano ba yun? Okay. So, una, pwede tayo mag-let. Okay? Ano ba pwede makancel dito? So, pwede ka mag-let dito
3,
ng
sir.
3. Pwede ka mag-let ng 3. So, para may makancel sa kanya. Kung nag-let ka ng 3, so this will become 7 times 3 minus 1. So, dito, A. Ito. 3 plus 2. Tapos, okay. 3 minus 3. So, magiging 0 yan. Okay? Plus, B, S, your S is 3. Plus 1. Tapos 3 minus 3. O, 0 pa rin to. So, maka-cancel yung B, tsaka yung A. Ito dapat yung A natin. So, matitira na lang yung C. So, we have 3 plus 1, that is 4. And then, 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay? So, natira yung C. So, malaman natin yung C ngayon. So, 7 times 3, 21, minus 1, 20. That is now equal to 4 times 5, 20. C. So therefore, your C is equal to 1. Same. Yan, parehas. Diba? Ano pa pwede i-let natin? Pwede pa tayo mag-let na, ano pa pwede makanselan?
Negative 1, sir.
Pwede rin negative 1. Negative 2. So we have 7 times negative 2 minus 1 is equal to, negative 2 plus 2 cancel sa A. Okay? Tapos sa B, hindi siya makancel. So we have B. Negative 2 plus 1, that is negative 1. Ingat-ingat lang sa, huwag ka malirik sa substitution. Negative 2 minus 3, that is negative 5. Okay? And then sa C, negative 2, cancel na rin. So we have negative 14 minus 1 is now equal to 5B. So negative 14 minus 1, that is negative 15, is equal to 5B. Okay? Therefore, your P is equal to negative 3. So same din. Negative 3 yung B. And then lastly, we can let yung negative 1. Kahit anong order niyan, pwede. And then kung negative 1, we have 7 times negative 1 minus 1. Okay? A. Tapos negative 1 plus 2, that is 1. And then negative 1 minus 3, that is negative 4. Okay? Tapos, sa B, cancel siya. Negative 1 plus 1. Same din sa C. So we can now have negative 7 minus 1 is equal to negative 4A. Negative 7 minus 1 is negative 8. Negative 4A. Therefore, your A is equal to 2. So same. So kung makita nyo, same siya dito. So we have 2, negative 3, and 1. Same din dito. We have 2, negative 3, and 1. Okay? Ayan siya. So kahit ang method gusto nyo gamitin, pwede in finding your ABC. May isa pa to yung cover-up method. Marami siyang method actually. Pangatlo yung cover-up method. We'll discuss. Okay? You can explore cover-up method. Ito na. So our partial fraction expansion, ito siya. Ito na. Yan. So, ito na yung ating form ng partial fraction expansion. Ayan, ito yung magiging form. So, ang sabi natin, your A is 2, your B is negative 3, your C is 1. Ano to? Nakabalik na direkta. 2, negative 3, and 1. Ayan, ito na yung ABC natin. Nahanap na natin, di ba? So, substitute natin dito. So, we now have the inverse Laplace transform of 2 over S plus 1. Oops. Plus, that is negative 3 over S plus 2. Plus 1 over S minus 3. Okay? We can apply linearity property ngayon. Okay? So we now have, this is now equal to, ilabas yung 2, and equal natin yung tatlong functions. So we have the 2. We now have 2 inverse Laplace of 1 over S plus 1. Okay? Minus 3 inverse Laplace of 1 over S plus 2 plus inverse Laplace of 1 over S minus 3. Okay? And by using formula number 5 sa table, we can now find that this is equal to 2 e raised to negative t, okay, minus 3 e raised to negative 2t plus e raised to 3t. Okay? So this is now the inverse Laplace transform of your given function. Okay? Here's that. Ayan. Charge lang. Okay. So, yan na yun. So, we now have 2 e raised to negative t minus 3 e raised to negative 2t plus e raised to 3t. So, this is formula number 5 sa table. Okay? So, we now found those. We now have that answer. Okay? Okay. Then, so yun yung ating example for this one. Ayan. So, ang sagot is 2 e raised to negative t minus 3 e raised to negative 2t plus e raised to 3t. Okay, so ito na yung steps natin. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So, that is our answer, di ba? Okay. So, tingnan natin. Nakilang oras na ba ako? 1:39:40. Okay. 1 hour, 39 minutes, and 40 seconds. Okay. Next tayo. Last tayo. Example, this one. We have s squared plus 9s plus 2 over s minus 1 squared plus 3 times s plus 3. Okay. So, on this part, okay, we have f of s is equal to s squared plus 9s plus 2 over s minus 1 squared times s plus 3. Okay. Ano tayo? So, from that one, so makita nyo, we have a repeated linear factor. Ayan, no? Okay. So, we apply your case number 2, which is repeated linear factors. So, from that given, so we have s squared plus 9s plus 2 over the quantity s minus 1 squared times s plus 3. Oh. Since repeated linear factor, so we have a over s minus 1. Since hanggang squared siya, dalawa. So we have the next b over the quantity s minus 1 squared. Ayan siya. And then we have a non-repeated linear factor in here, which is s plus 3. So add lang natin yan. So plus c over s plus 3. Ayan lang siya. And after that one, okay, we multiply the whole equation by your q of s, which is s minus 1 squared times s plus 3. Okay? We multiply that one. So from that, we now have s squared plus 9s plus 2. Okay? That is now a times, okay, cancel yung sa s minus 1. So we now have s minus 1, okay, times s plus 3. Plus b, b, cancel yung s minus 1 squared. So we have s plus 3. And then for c, natira is s minus 1 squared. Okay? So, gusto ko sana naman yung mahabang algebra and then we equate. Gusto ko na lang muna yung let tayo. Okay? You can try mag-practice kayo using yung ano na yun. Equate, then make 3 questions, 3 unknowns. Pero mas madalian ako dito sa pag-let natin. So, mas madali ito. Ito yung gamitin ko ngayon. Yung mag-let tayo para medyo mabilis tayo. So, we let first. Ano pwedeng i-let natin? Let tayo ng 1. Okay? Pag let tayo ng 1, so we have 1 squared plus 9 times 1, okay, plus 2, so isayin natin, is equal to a. So we have 1 minus 1, then 1 plus 3, plus b, 1 plus 3, plus c, 1 minus 1 squared. Okay? Oh. 1 minus 1, 0. Cancel to. 0. And then ito, 1 minus 1, 0 din to. So, natira yung B. Diba? So, we now have 1 squared plus 9 plus 2. So, that is 12. This is 12. Okay, that is 12. And then, so we have 1 plus 3, that is 4, B. So therefore, okay, your B is equal to 3. O, ganun lang kabilis. Nakuha natin yung B agad. Okay, next. We let now, ano pa pwedeng i-let? Negative 3. Negative 3 tayo. Kasunod. We now have 3 squared. I made negative pala. So we have the quantity negative 3 squared, okay, plus 9 times negative 3 plus 2, that's equal to A times negative 3 minus 1. Then we have negative 3 plus 3 plus B times negative 3 plus 3. And then plus C negative 3 minus 1 square. Okay? And makita niyo ulit, negative 3 plus 3, this is 0. And then negative 3 plus 3 is also 0. So natira yung C. We can now find C. So negative 3 squared, that is 9. Minus, this is 9 times negative 3, 27. Plus 2. Okay? So we now have negative 3 minus 1, that is negative 4 squared. Okay. 9 minus 27 plus 2. Yan kaya yan. So we now have so we have 9 minus 27. Okay. 9 minus 27, that is negative 18 plus 2. That is negative 16. Is equal to negative 4 squared, that is 16C. So therefore, your C is equal to negative 1. Okay? Next, ano pa pwedeng i-let natin? Kung ano ba bang pwedeng i-let? Wala na, no? So kung wala na tayo pwedeng i-let, we can let any number. We can let any number bukod sa nagamit na natin, which is 1 and negative 3. So in this case, ang pinakadaling i-let dito na number is 0. So we let S is equal to 0. Para 0 agad lahat. So we have 0 squared, okay, plus 9 times 0, okay, then plus 2 is equal to, and then we use your values of B and C. Nagawin natin yung values na to. So we now have your A, hinahanap natin yung A. And then, that is 0 minus 1, and then 0 plus 3. Okay? Plus, your B, o yung B mo is 3. So we use the value 3. Kasi wala tayong makancel sa kanya. So we have 0 plus 3. And then minus, your C is 1, negative 1, so minus 1. Times 0 minus 1 squared. Ayan na siya. Okay? Ginamit natin yung values ng B tsaka C. So para makuha yung A. So from that one, we now have 2 is equal to negative 1 times 3. That is negative 3A. Okay? Plus 3 times 3, that is 9. Negative 1 squared is 1. So this is minus 1. And then, lipat sa kabila. Algebra na naman. Yung 3A na lipat ko. So we have 3A is equal to 9 minus 1 minus 2. 9 minus 1 minus 2, that is 6. So 3A is equal to 6. Therefore, your A is equal to 2. Okay? So we now have your, next na to. So we now have your values of A, B, C. So ito na dito. Your values of A, B, C is 2, your B is 3, and your C is negative 1. And then, ang partial fraction expansion natin is ayun, A over S minus 1 plus B S minus 1 squared plus C over S plus 3. Substitute natin so that we can now get the inverse Laplace transform of that one. Okay? So we now have the inverse Laplace transform of this one. Your A is 2 over S minus 1. Diretso. Plus 3 over S minus 1 squared minus 1 over S plus 3. Okay? We apply now linearity property is now equal to 2 inverse Laplace of 1 over S minus 1 plus 3 times the inverse Laplace of 3, 1 lang, labas pa yung 3. This is only 1 over S minus 1 squared, okay, minus the inverse Laplace of 1 over S plus 3. Yan siya. And then we apply formula. This is formula number 5, the first term. Second term is formula number 6, and then number 5. So we now have 2 e raised to, this one is t, and then how am I giving that? Okay, and then plus, okay, your 3. Okay, so from the formula, so from formula number 6, okay, so ito natin sigilin. Formula number 6, okay. Formula number 6 is t raised to n e raised to at, okay. So that is n factorial over s minus a raised to n plus 1. Okay? So tingnan natin. So your n is 1. Okay? So 1 sa taas. Okay? So and then tingnan natin ha. From that one, your n is 1. So therefore, 1 factorial is 1. Check. And then sa loob, your a is 1. Okay. So we can have t raised to 1, e raised to 1t. So we have 3t e raised to t. Okay. And then minus your s plus 1 over s plus 3 is e raised to negative 3t. Okay, so this is now our answer. Okay, this is for example on case 2. Okay, so this is now our answer. Okay. Okay, so yun ang ating sagot. We have 2 e raised to t plus 3t e raised to t minus e raised to negative 3t.